Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Drones or unmanned aerial vehicle are flying objects that are having size varying from few centimeters to few meters and payloads starting from few grams to few kilograms. The trend of using small drones to execute different tasks has increased over the last few years. At the same time, the threat caused by drones to the society, public security and personal privacy is also becoming increasingly high. From the security point of view, drones allow an attacker to reach any target in any location without risk to personnel, and there is an ever-expanding domain of usage ranging from weapon carrier to espionage tools. After the drone attack at Jammu airbase, Indian security establishments have taken up the anti-drone technologies very seriously. To mitigate and negate the impact of drones, there is a requirement to develop and deploy counter-drone systems for detection, deterrence and destruction of incoming drone threats. DRDO has already matured this technology a few years back and was used at multiple occasions, including Trump visit to India and roadshow and Republic Day and Independence Day celebration. DRDO has also started working on developing a new electro-optical system to detect drones, regarding which we'll be discussing in detail in today's video. However, before moving further, let's also try to understand why the drone detection is such a challenge. Considering the unique nature of drones in terms of speed, size, hovering capability and resemblance to birds, no sensor in a standalone will be able to provide sufficient detection, tracking and identification capability to guarantee a reliable and effective defense against threats from drones. Conventional air defense solutions presently available with the country, which are designed to detect large, fast-moving aerial objects, are not effective against small, low-flying and slow-moving drones. Therefore, a combination of several types of detection capabilities, including emission and reflection of microwave, infrared, visible light, etc., are required to detect and identify drones. Talking about the new update, DRDO is developing a new electro-optical system for tracking such flying objects. This is the second known project by DRDO to develop a surveillance system to track drones. The first one we have already seen deployed at multiple occasions and recently on Independence Day. The project has been undertaken by Instruments Research and Development Establishment IRDE DRDO, which has recently embarked on another project to develop an electro-optical system for coastal and harbor surveillance. Both the system, that is anti-drone and coastal surveillance, will have lot of similar components. In DRDO's new anti-drone system, we can expect 6 major components, which are drone detection and tracking radar, day and night camera with laser ranging for detection and tracking of drone target, communication channel detection and jamming system, GPS jamming, spoofing system, laser directed energy weapon system, command and control center with power source for complete system. The system will be capable of detecting, identifying and neutralizing different types of drones, including small hybrid UAVs, micro UAV, multi-rotor and nano UAVs. The system is required to detect a 4 feet long UAV flying at about 300 km per hour from 3 km and a drone having a size of about 1 foot and flying at about 70 km per hour from 2 km. The system will employ thermal imagers, high resolution video cameras, laser illuminators and laser rangefinders to detect and track drones. It will also be capable of integrated with airspace surveillance radars. Counter-drone system can detect, track, identify airborne drones using multiple sensors, transfer the information to associated system and enable counter techniques to deny them the intended operation, soft kill, or destroy them, hard kill. The detection of drone is done with the help of radars and RF based detection. The identification is done with the help of electro-optical sensor and comment. Soft kill is carried out with RF jamming and anti-GNSS technologies, and hard kill with the help of laser directed energy weapon.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.